or someone who just knows how to start a fire, because I definitely do not, these are going to be must-needs for your stockpile and your survival kits. So check your local $1.25 store and see if they have the Duraflow. Excited that I got these. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Shayla. Don't mind me. Per usual, I just got off a 12.5-hour shift. Never know where the camera is. But we're going to rewind because I just came from the $1.25 store. And I want to share with you some essentials that they have that you can get right now to start your stockpile. Get your pantry together with these essential finds that I found in my local $1.25 tree. And there's one item I have been looking for because I have been seeing other YouTubers find this item in their DollarTree, and I was like, come on y'all, come through for your girl, have this. I haven't been in the DollarTree in forever. I haven't shopped in the DollarTree in forever, and so I was so happy to go in there. And shout out to the manager. I did not get his name, but I just seen him as I was leaving and gave him a big thank you because he searched for these essential items and they were hiding. Somebody was hiding them, and we came to the conclusion that they were hiding them to keep them for themselves. But we found them, we got them, and I'm going to show them to you inside this video. So if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. I appreciate all of you, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, all of my repeat watchers. Thank you for sticking with me. I know I haven't been consistent on content. Why my husband just slammed the door like that? But I already got my items back here, some for home and some for my pantry and stockpile. I told you I wasn't gonna buy nothing because I was moving, but I just could not help it, and I'm so excited. And you'll see what it is in the video. I'm so excited to have found this item. They had a whole box, but I didn't take the whole box. I only took 5. But run, don't walk to your nearest $1.25 tree and see if they have this item for you. See if you can find it in the video. I'll talk about it again at the end in case you don't catch it, but see if you can figure out what item I'm so excited about in the video. Hint, hint, I bought 5 of them. All right, let's watch the video. Hey guys, I found this great find here. These are the canning snap lids that go with your canning jars. So these are the snap lid tops. They feel pretty sturdy, and there are 10 in a pack, and they have a good amount of them here at my local $1.25 tree. So let's see if we can find the jars. Okay, I told you guys the other day in my last video that you can get the seasonings here at the $1.25 store, and look at this. They even have some big seasoning salts. Look how big that is. 16 ounces. Going down, we have kosher salt. Vegetable bouillon. Sazon. 8 packets. We have barbecue sauce, dressings. Here are your condiments. $1.25, name brand Hunt's. Garlic and herb, caramelized onion, Miracle Whip. This is the, get it to focus, looks like 6 or 8 ounces. Kraft dressing, Worcestershire seasoning packets. And these are all at the $1.25 store. Parmesan, lemon juice, hot sauce. We even have jellies, mustard, more ketchup. Garlic and pepper. More great items to stock. Olives here, pickles here, here, and here. We got honey, peanut butter, Creole seasoning, a lot of name brands, you guys. And then of course, vinegar. And our vinegar is distilled, 32 ounces. And then we have a lot of non-perishables like Jellos, applesauce. They're not drinks, but like applesauce in different flavors for the kiddos. Lots of Jello. And let's look at this pudding. I think it has a pretty long shelf life. Let's see. Expiration. This is this year, but you can put this in rotation. So this is good till December, to the end of the year. We have our minced garlic. I use a lot of this. So a lot of condiments that you can use and stockpile here at the $1.25 store. I'm gonna grab this. I found more canning lids, but I don't yet see. You guys, they have jars. Look at this. And they have jars with the lids. Look at this. You can preserve jellies here. And there's some more with the lids. They don't have a lot, but they do have a few canning jars. Okay, you guys, so I found another staple item. This is shelf-stable milk. So we have 2% whole milk, 1%, which is the low-fat, like skim milk, and they even have a plant-based oat milk. My husband actually likes oat milk. It's a little too thick for me, but I've never tried this brand. But what I want to show you guys is the expiration. So this one is September 23rd. And I may find one that's a little longer. This is March 24th. Y'all know my ashy hands do a debut in every video because I'm just coming off of night shift as usual, and coming out to record some content for you guys. So my hands are dry from washing all night. But this is March 24th. And this is January 24th. Now, this may not be the best option for long-term storage. However, if you buy and rotate, you now have milk for cereal. You now have milk to cook with, as an alternative to the powdered milk. Now, I don't know if they have dry milk here. I'll look and see. But this is a great option to have milk on hand if dairy prices go up like the milk price or the egg prices did. Or if you just want to have this on hand, if for some reason you cannot get out and get milk. So all varieties, whole milk, 2%, 1%, and plant-based. And they have a whole section here at my local $1.25 store. And it goes all the way back. So it's a pretty good stock. So check your local store and see if they have it available.
Funny that they're tough like they were.
Okay, you guys, look what I found. I actually didn't find it The manager found it for me. And they were tucked away in a box, so we have a conspiracy theory that somebody was trying to keep them for themselves. But I got the Firestarter logs, and there's a whole box here, but I'm only going to get 5 today. These are just to start your fire. So if you end up having to cook outdoors, if you end up having to be without power for an extended period of time, and you have things that you need to cook by heat, or even if you just need to boil water, these are going to be great to get your fire started, unless you're a Boy Scout or someone who just knows how to start a fire, because I definitely do not. These are going to be must-needs for your stockpile and your survival kits. So check your local $1.25 store and see if they have the Duraflame fire starters in your store. I'm so excited that I got these. Okay, you guys, this is definitely a must-have. Batteries. You're going to need these for your flashlights and for your portable radios, etc. And they do have some name brand Panasonic, and then those are the AAA 4, and then they have the AAA 2 in the pack. And then here's some alkaline, and then here's your AA 2-pack Panasonic. And then we have some other no name brand super heavy duty, and I would get one of these or 2 of these just to have them, so you have a variety of batteries. Even though they're not name brand, better to have some than not have anything at all, until you could possibly be able to pick up more. So I'm actually gonna grab a couple of the Panasonics, and I'm gonna grab the AA as well. I'm actually gonna get 2 of these, and I think these are used just as common as the AAA. So we're gonna take those in 1 pack of each of the AAAs. So batteries, must have. These are essential for your survival kits. Okay, you guys, before I made it to my cart, I came back down this aisle, and look, they have rice. And let me see what size these are. You know, this staple is just as important. Oh my gosh, you guys, 2 pounds. Now remember when we were in the grocery store the other day and I showed you the pasta, and the pastas were only 1 pound bags, even though they were at, what was it, 98 cents. This is $1.25 for 2 pounds of rice. You know, you have to wash this first. However, this is a staple. This is a must-have. They even have jasmine. They also have brown rice. Just know that brown rice, because of the oil content, it's not going to last as long as your white rice, but it's okay to have. You just want to go ahead and rotate it, and you want to make sure you eat this one sooner than later, if you're going to keep storing it and not rotate it. But the white rice it's going to last forever. And then we have our dry beans. So these are the red kidney beans, and as you can see at the bottom, we also have black beans and pinto beans and lentils. They're hiding under everything else. But again, all of your staples to get your stockpile started are right here in the $1.25 treat. So you have no excuse. Go take your budget, $20, $25 every week, and get started with your stockpile. All the essentials that you need to start are here. You can go to the grocery store, to the bigger box stores if you want, but if you're just getting started and you're looking to get something rather than being stuck having nothing, this is a perfect opportunity and a perfect place to start. Okay, you guys, I have another video that will be coming out to you soon where I talk about the top essentials that I buy every single month, and canned meat is on that list, or potted meat, or any type of meat in the packets. Like we have this mackerel fillet, we have smoked baby clams, didn't even know that was in a packet, pink salmon, and these are just the quick ones, but we have herring fillets, sardines. Fun fact, my kids love sardines. As picky as my youngest is, she loves sardines. They don't eat it much anymore, but they shocked me when they told me they liked it and wanted to eat more of it. We have tuna. We have luncheon loaf. We have ham in a can. Yes, canned ham is a thing. And we have the Vienna sausage, the actual potted meat, more tuna, and of course a big variety of canned goods. There's some hot dog chili sauce. This is chicken. My husband actually eats the white meat chicken, which is back here, and he makes chicken sandwiches, chicken salad sandwiches. So they have the white meat and the dark meat. So there's, you know, if you're without power, if you're in a crunch, and if you don't have your essentials, but you want to make a variety of a meal, or you want to make something that's filling, you could take any of these canned meats, some rice and some beans, and make a meal. It is better than starving. If you agree, type agree in the comments. And we even have sardines in tomato sauce. And of course we have our soups. There's some mackerel. There's some Kingsford baked beans. Lots of name brand products here in the $1.25 tree. And chicken broth. These are great to stock beef. You can make your gravy. Y'all know I just learned how to make brown gravy from scratch by myself, and I used some broth to do so. And the expiration date on this is 2024. So another long shelf item that you can just rotate out as you use in your everyday cooking. Here's some more seasoning packets. One for roasted potatoes. You want to make you some stir fry. If you get canned chicken, over here you can make you some stir fry and put the canned chicken in there. You could put the salmon in there out of the packets, and you can have some potatoes with some chicken pieces in it. There's just a variety of things that you can do and create. If push comes to shove and you don't have power, or you need to cook quickly because you don't have a long time to use your fire, those are essentials that you can heat up quickly. You don't have to worry about cooking them through and through because they're already prepared, or you can eat them cold. That is the best thing about those canned and potted meats. All right, you guys, here is some pasta varieties. Now, these are normally, or have been, I didn't look at them the last time I shopped, $1 in the store anyway, so I'm sure they're probably already $1.15, $1.25 by now in the regular store. They also have rice flavor. So these are great to stock up too, because they just need to be boiled and the seasoning and everything's already in them. You can add butter, but if you don't have butter to add, or you don't have the powdered dry butter, then you can still make that. It's still going to taste good, and it'll give you a variety instead of the rice and beans every single day. Okay, so powdered drinks are another great staple to have. And remember, you can find Gatorade in the powder mix in the bigger box stores, so you don't have to buy it in the liquid form, because that can get heavy, and once it's open you're likely gonna want to use it. But you can get the dry Gatorade mix so that it stretches and you can make more drinks with it, and you don't have to add sugar, because Gatorade is meant to be more with the electrolytes and not so much like Kool-Aid. But we do have these powdered drink mixes here. Again, something for a treat. Doesn't mean you need to drink or want to drink it every day. They have everything from mint water to protein drinks to coffee in the can. Here's True Lemon. You can make you some lemonade, and just add a little bit of sugar, and you have your drink mix options. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And this is everything I found in my local $1.25 tree. I spent about a total of $23.75. Comment and let me know if you're gonna go look for those fire starters.